The world of tokenization is exciting, but like anything new, there can be scams. Learn how to spot legitimate projects and stay safe. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Token Money Magnet. Today, we're your guide to navigating the world of tokenized real-world assets safely and avoiding those tricky scams. First, research the team behind the project. Are they real people with experience? Check their backgrounds and online presence. A legitimate team will be transparent about who they are. Second, really understand the real-world asset being tokenized. What is it? Where is it? Does it actually exist? Legitimate projects will provide clear information about the underlying asset. Third, carefully read the white paper or project details. This document should explain the project's goals, how the tokens work, and the risks involved. If it sounds confusing or too good to be true, it might be a red flag. Fourth, look for transparency. Is the project open about its progress? Do they communicate regularly with their community? Legitimate projects are usually very open. Fifth, be very wary of guaranteed high returns. Investments always carry some risk. If someone promises you huge profits with no risk, it's likely a scam. Finally, trust your gut feeling. If something feels off or too suspicious, it probably is. Don't rush into anything without doing your homework. Remember these tips to stay safe and smart in the exciting world of RWA tokenization. Watch out for red flags like teams that don't reveal their identities, projects that don't clearly explain what asset they are tokenizing, promises of unbelievably high profits, and people pressuring you to invest quickly. Want to learn more about staying safe in the world of tokenization? Download the Token Money Magnet app, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon